Welcome fellow travelers to this exciting journey on hiscamherbackpack. Today we are embarking on a journey through one of the Asia's most renowned airports, Incheon International Airport, your gateway to South Korea's wonders. In this video, we will take a leisurely stroll through the Incheon International Airport and will also delve into the essential entry forms required during and before the immigration process to enter South Korea. Incheon International Airport, often referred to simply as Incheon Airport, is a marvel of modern aviation. Located on Yeongjong Island just west of Seoul, it consistently ranks among the top airports in the world for its efficiency, innovation, and passenger experience. South Korea is a fascinating and diverse country with a wide range of experiences that makes it a compelling destination for travelers, such as rich Korean culture heritage, Korean cuisine, famous historical landmarks, and of course global fan base of K-pop music. Now let's check out most important forms which are required during the immigration process while you land in South Korea. First up is the arrival card. This card collects your personal details and the purpose of your visit, so make sure to fill it out accurately. Next we have health declaration form. Especially in these times, it helps authorities track and manage health risks, so make sure to provide the accurate information. Next, keep an eye out for the travel record. This document confirms your intended itinerary within South Korea. And finally, custom declaration form. It's important to declare all items you're bringing into South Korea, including any duty-free items. With all these forms in order, you will race through immigration and start your South Korea adventure. Now let's fast forward to the beautiful view we got from our flight while we were leaving South Korea. If you are wondering what all documents are required to apply for South Korean visa, then watch the video with the link in description box. Also, if you are wondering on how to travel from Incheon Airport to Seoul City Center, check out the entire South Korean playlist on my channel. Link has been provided in the description box.